Look no further than the 2020 Nissan Sentra. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This roomy Sentra makes your daily drive fun, comfortable, and convenient. Discover the joy of cornering thanks to sport suspension, precise handling, and crisp acceleration. Then relax and enjoy the cruise in the sleek cabin loaded with tech and clever storage solutions. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, satellite radio, backup camera, multi-zone AC, aluminum wheels. Here's a sporty Nissan Sentra, the powerful midsize four-door that prioritizes comfort, convenience, and safety. From its standard suite of driver assist tech to its spacious upscale cabin and thoughtful storage solutions, this snazzy sedan makes your daily drive pure pleasure.